Time is the only thing businesses can't scale. Every approval, every delay, every mistake costs money. AI agents are not tools. They are workers. They execute, decide, and deliver without supervision. They sell. They market. They operate. Without breaks. Without excuses. One agent replaces 10 roles. One system replaces entire departments. This isn't the future, it's already happening. AI has taken over execution, and there's no going back. At Stradimark, we build AI workforces, custom designed to run your business. Autonomous, scalable, and always on. If your business still depends on people, you're already behind. Visit us for more insights.